Hello guys, welcome here in Pampanga, San Fernando, Pampanga. So we're having seminar here. So as you can see, yung mga kapwa ko traders is nag-display. So ayan, tapos na kami mag-display.
Sige lang, idikit na lang kayo. Ako na maglalay at magkakaroon.
Ayan sila. So wala pa yung doctor kasi alas 12 pa yung event. Ayan, welcome to what's this? Welcome sa Pampanga seminar. Actually wala pang aircon kaya enjoy. So, ginamit ko na yung aking bag na binigay sa akin ng aking friend. So, okay guys. Thank you for watching. Today is, what's this? March 5, 2026. Here in San Fernando, Pampanga at Ipata. Bye!